In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from a logo in Premiere Pro. Well, this is very easy thing to do. First of all, you have to select your clip here. You can see this is my, a logo, and I just want to remove the white background in my Premiere Pro. So I will just go to my effect panel here and I will search for color key. And this is color key. You have to just click and hold and drag it to your clip, and once you drag it to your clip you will find a new option of color key in the effect control here you can see now you have to select the color picker, and I just want to remove this white color. I will select this white color. As you can see here, the white color has been completely removed, but if you see very carefully you will see a line. It means that there are some of the edges which is not removed. So here you have to play with this, which is color tolerance. For example, I can just change, and here this is edge thin. I can also remove the white color from here. Now it is perfectly fine, and this is how you can just remove the background in a Premiere Pro in any of the logos. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.